오, 여기 크네.
We're not allowed to pick it up.
All right.
You're parked right by the stop sign down there?
I put right here.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're gonna come around this. This is the rec hall, that building right there. You're gonna come around the back side of it.
이게 비즈랑 파킹이 아니야? 이쪽으로 가야 되겠네. 길이 앞으로. 그래서 우리 이렇게. 여기네 70, 아닌데 이건 70인데? 우리 40인데? 길이 도대체 어디야? 원래 저쪽 길로 가야 되는데 오빠? 그냥 이렇게 건너가자. 사람 없으니까.
뭐라고 그러지? 하나도 안 들리네.
여기다 대? 사람 없잖아 어차피. 여기다 대?
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead.
아이고, 사진 필터로 그런
Running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can,
뭐지?
but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life.
아이, 되게 쬐끄맣다.
But it's hard
근데
to
오른쪽에도
see
뭐가 있긴 있네?
clearly.
그냥 잠만 자.
Yeah, I tried my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly. 'Cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. nothing left. Nothing left.
슬러시라도 먹을래요? 저기 슬러시 판다. 아, 여기 여름에 오면 되게 분위기 좋겠다. 그러니까 연주회도 하는구나.
It is very thick and it's very sweet and it's very sugary. Yeah, this is more alcoholic too. This is around 18%. The other wines range from like 11 to 13.5% alcohol content. This one has 18, so it's very high compared to
뜨거워 얼굴이. 이게 진짜 따뜻하다. 빨리 갔다 왔네?